Getting told that you are a white girl or you don't look Mexican, it makes it hard. It makes it challenging to understand, like, do you really fit in with this culture? But then understanding that you do, it's just in a different way. My name is Jasmine, and I'm the store director at Sephora Streets of Tanasbourne. My parents were born in Veracruz, Mexico, and when they turned about 18, they moved up to the US to really start this American dream. I go by Jasmine, and this really started when I was younger. I had a teacher in school who specifically said, in America, your name is pronounced Jasmine. We don't say Yasmin, and never really questioned it. And my parents didn't either, because they really thought, okay, maybe that's the way that they say it here. For me, it started this questioning of, where do I really fit in? Growing up, it was always this challenge of not being Mexican enough and not being an American enough for people. Being a Latina, I am proud of where my parents came from and the work that they did to get here, but I identify more with Jasmine. People really made this kind of story for me versus me starting my own. When I was 18, I really wanted to work at Sephora. My journey started at the Washington Square location, where I became a seasonal cashier. And it was awesome to see that already they were talking to me about becoming a lead and where I wanted to go. And 8 years later, here I am as a store director. I have a younger sister who works at Sephora as well. It's been an amazing journey to just see where this company can take you when you really want to grow with it. We as a company really introduced this development plan for each employee. And that was really nice to see, because for me, I wanted this growth, and there was no like, how old is she? What race is she? It was more about who she is as a person and how she will lead our values while she is on stage with our beauty advisors. It's important for Latin women to have a space at the table, because there's so much beauty in our culture. We don't always see ourselves represented the way that we should be in movies and TV shows and even in cosmetics. Seeing our Latin women would just help all of these younger girls see their beauty being represented in stores. Right now in today's world, we focus so much on the beauty we see on social media, but I would love to focus on the beauty that we see within ourselves. I want to make sure that you walk out of our stores feeling confident with your own beauty. As a Latina woman, I have so many dreams, and I want every Latin girl to dream big just like I have. Everybody's going to have an opinion of who you are, but none of that matters. If you could just tell them, I love who I am, then that's all that's important.